If you want to change your bank account, body, relationships, influence, reputation, feelings, thoughts, actions, decisions, legacy, then you must change your mindset, guys. Mindset is the starting point of success. Keep people around who love you a lot. Add value, act positive, tell the truth, believe in you, spread kindness, encourage growth, clap when you win, support your goals, see greatness in you. How to make your own luck? Work hard, stay focused, take more risks, have a positive attitude, show gratitude, volunteer more, be social and improve connections, be kind and stay humble. Value feedback. Stay teachable. Be more proactive than reactive. So, guys, fill your life with adventures, not things. Have stories to tell, not stuff to show. Daily checklist. Read, meditate, exercise, eat good, be happy, work hard, worry less, stay strong, think positive.